Hello YouTube, in this video it's a comparison with the iSteady Pro 4 and the GoPro standard camera on the crash helmet. So take a look, do you prefer with or without the gimbal?
Monday, another week, I can't believe I'm counting down the minutes till it's Tuesday. Another day back on my feet. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up